husband that snores. I've got a dog that snores. Oh, goodness me. Good morning. It's Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Coming to you with a little, I'm going to do a flip and lip. I'm going to experiment to see if the Mont poster paints, where are they? Here we go. The Mont, I've been working with the poster paints all of this week, doing different things with them. So I've mixed them with what I would normally do is the 70% PVA, 30% water. If you can't get this particular PVA in your country, try Elmer's glue all, because that works very well too. But in Australia, that's a lot easier and more budget conscious for us to buy. So I've mixed it with the Mont paints until I just got the consistency that I want. So I've done all sorts of pours this week with those paints, and I've just got a last few left, and I'm going to have a go on this little canvas sort of tile. It's look, you can title, artist, medium, subject, date. I suppose it would be nice to send to somebody in a card instead of a card. That would probably be a nice thing. Those in Australia are from Capriole Shabby Chic, but I think you can get them pretty much anywhere, I would imagine. So this is the yellow. I'm just going to pour this on first like this, and then the rest of them colours I'm going to load into this little diddy cup. Probably don't even need that much. What do you think? Anyway, we'll give it a go. So what I'll start with on the bottom of my cup is a bit of purple. So this is to see where the poster paints, and they did have 2 drops of the Helmar, I think it was the Helmar silicone in, to see if poster paints can do a flip cup too, because I've got a lot of success out of dips, but I'm not sure if I've actually tried the flip cup with them. So go back to the yellow, and then back to the purple, yellow and turquoise. I love those colours together. White, and then I've got some gold here, so we'll put some gold in this. Good dash of gold, because this is nice, sheeny, shiny, sparkly. Okay, let's move those back over there. I want to thank you guys so much for the kind and lovely remarks that you're making, comments, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Really appreciate it. Okie doke. So this is going to be the flip and lip. So let me see. I've got to do this quick. Don't think about it. Just do it. Okay. Yeah, I was always concerned about using poster paints for like flip cups and other techniques. I didn't think you'd get the same results. I mean, essentially, when you mix the poster paints up with your PVA glue, that's making it an acrylic paint. If you have a look at the ingredients that's in an acrylic paint, are the same ingredients what's in your PVA added to the paint. So I shouldn't see there was any reason that there should be any. Oh my goodness, wowzers, trousers, look at that. Oh, poster paints, people, poster paints, or tempura you would probably call them in other countries. That is flipping, literally a flipping cup. I'm going to just pour some on the edge. What fantastic results. That was with the Helmar silicone in. Wow, that is stunning little flip cup. How'd you like that? Love, oh blooming blooming blonkers. I just flicked me duvalacky through there. Okay, I was going to lip it anyway. I've got so much more paint left in there, but I definitely don't think it needs it, but I might just do the lip through. Do a little lip through here. See what I get. Ooh. Okay, Benson. Wow, that is... Oh, I really hope you're seeing that. That is beautiful. Absolutely. That gold in there. Oh, I've got to go get a bigger canvas now. Go get a bigger canvas. What do you think, guys? Who'd have thought you'd get that result from the poster paints? So I'll give it a little bit of heat. See what we get. Oh, that is lovely. So lovely. Not really doing anything to it, the heat. This one, the cells were already there. That has burst a few air bubbles, that's for sure, but the cells came up straight up without the use of the heat. So that's another bonus. Well, that's a really turn up for the books, because I wasn't expecting that. Okay, I'm going to do another quick one. I'm going to do a Dutch pour and see if you can use poster paints for a Dutch pour. Bear with me. Okay, here we go. In for the Dutch pour. See if I can get a Dutch pour out of poster paints. Okie doke, gloves back on. I'm going to do the same with the yellow. I'm going to coat my whole canvas in this bright yellow. I could blow this around with my hairdryer, I suppose, the paint. The thing with these, the Dutch pour, I think I might do the Dutch pour and Aussie kiss on here. Because that's what I like to do. Got to change it up a bit. It's nice, you know, getting the ideas of somebody, different styles, but it's also nice putting your own twist on them too. So the thing is with these paints, they should be thin enough to blow around. Somebody asked me, do you have your hairdryer on hot or cold? Well, cold, because the heat would probably dry the paint up really quick. So I'm going to use the purple along the bottom. I'm going to kind of just blow this all up from the top. So because I want to put some kisses in it, I need some colour everywhere. And of course the gorgeous turquoise needs to be in there. So yeah, it's interesting to try different paints and different techniques. See how they all fare. And the lovely gold. This is just the poster paint, remember, also. Probably put way too much, as I normally do. I've got a bit of white, so I'll add that. Okay, let's give this beauty a go. See how we go. Oh yeah, I might just give it some heat first to get rid of the bubbles, air bubbles. Swap it over for my hairdryer. Oh, that's not good. I haven't got the nozzle on the hairdryer because my dog did something with it and I don't know where he's took it, can't even find it. Okay, so I'll go with my mini blower. It's got a USB porty thing. Just have to check that my camera's still going when I change those over. Sorry about knocking the table, peeps. I'm all excited now. So I'm going to use the mini blower, but I think I'll take the nozzle off. So I'll try and do this nice and slow if there's such a... Doing it with the mini blower. Okay. Holy dooly. Look at that. Wow, that's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Yeah, I need to do that. That's already gorgeous just like that. I don't want to do anything else to that. Wow, that's beautiful. I love it. Well, there you go. So you can do dips, you can do flip cup, and you can do Dutch pour, all with the poster paint or tempera paint or whatever you call it. It's got cells in. It's got it has had a few drops of the Helmar silicone, and I just want to see if my kisses. My little kisses, what they come out like in this. Sometimes you have to leave your paint to absorb into the canvas and dry off, maybe even between 20 and 40 minutes sometime, and then your kisses come out better. Only going to do them around the bottom frame to frame it. And they are gorgeous. They're not looking like kisses, but there you go. I don't think I've done the balloon kiss in the poster paints, but that is gorgeous. I'm going to leave that. Oh, I just want something in that there. Don't like that. I don't like that. Okay, I think that's gorgeous. Let me know what you think, people. What do you think? Look at that. Colours are stunning. Simple pimple. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So there you go, you've got a few choices, all gorgeous, and it is definitely not showing as bright as it is. Why is that? Why is that? Anybody know? That is not. Let me turn my overhead light off and see if that makes it any... I don't know. I've checked camera settings on my iPad, but it's... I don't know what to do. Does that make it any better? Nope. Does not look nowhere near as vibrant. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't done so, please... press the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. It helps me and I'd appreciate it. And yeah, let me know what you think. Leave a thumbs up and a comment would be nice. Until next time, I hope you enjoyed the puppies, and I'll try and remember my Nana joke and put it on with the photos at the end. Bye for now. Hope you enjoyed those little tests again with the Mont pouring paint, just proving that you can do all the different techniques. So it's a goer for the budget conscious. My quick joke for today and your eye roll is, what did the mommy bison say to her son? Oh no, I got that wrong. Oh poop. What did the mommy buffalo say to her son? Bison? Bison? Oh my gosh. It gets worse.